In my today's video, I am going to show you how to scrape leads from Google Maps. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I help business owner, agency owner, freelancer, marketers generate targeted leads using smart no-code tools. If you want to grow your online business with lead generation and email marketing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, at first, we show you a job what actually client needs. Client said, "Hello, Mr. Johnson. I am currently looking for roofing contractors, Texas. I need the following business information: name, phone number, email address, website, physical address. Could you please assist me with this? Thank you." So guys, our client need roofing contractors industry. Location is Texas. So I just copy this and go to Google search bar and paste this one. Before Texas, I just added in, click enter. Can you see guys, Google provide a lot of result after I input this keyword, but we don't click this result because there are lots of results are directory website or third-party website. So we need specific this industry information. So we click maps. Now guys, you can see they provide only roofing contractors in Texas service result. So we just scroll down as much as possible. Now we need to scrape those results. So we just open a new tab and search. You can just write this text instant data scraper and visit this Chrome web store. Click this one. I already added this Chrome extension to my computer. That's why I don't added this extension again. But if you don't added this extension, you can just click simply this button, added Chrome. After added this Chrome extension, you can click this icon. You can just click pin. Then this extension on your header. Now you refresh this page. Now we want to scrape those results. Guys, what is instant data scraper actually work? We see this rating, review, phone number, open and close time. Right. These extensions just scrape those results. They don't scrape entire result. So we just click instant data scraper. Can you see guys, after click instant data scraper, they are marked and highlight this box. So we easily scrape this result. Just you can download this file, Excel or CSV file, whatever you want. Right now I choose Excel, so just click Excel. Can you see guys, it's already downloaded. We just open this file, click open. We can see guys, they scrape 63 result. This header option you don't understand. This is the automatic system when we scrape. So this is don't need. We just remove this one. So click delete. Now I'm explain what they provide. So guys, we can see the first one is Google Map link. So just we type map link. This box is business names or you can write company name, but I choose business name. So this box is rating guys. This business rating 4.9 out of 5. This is 5. This is 4.7. So we just type this box rating. This box they provide review of this business. We just write review. This box they show you business industry. We search roofing contractor industry. So we just type this box, right? Industry. We don't need this shape, so we just delete this one. This is the state information, so you can write state or location. We can type location. This one they show you when this business open and close, and some business is 24 hour is open. So you can type working time, and you can also type this box the same. This location, some box are empty, so they just take this location here. You just copy this location address and paste here, and after paste all location address, you can just delete this column. Guys, this is the phone number. We write this box phone number. This box they show you website link. And this row we just delete, and we also delete these two box. They also show you direction, but we don't need, so this box also we delete. This box they show you Google Map image, so we type image link. so others are don't need, so we just delete this box. Click delete. So guys, we find map link, business name, rating, review, industry, location, working time, phone number, website link, email link, but we don't find email address. So we need email address because client want email address. So guys, we just insert this image link right side of this box. So we just insert a new column and type email address. Now we copy website link. Click copy. Go to Google search bar and open a new tab and paste this URL. Click enter. You can see guys, we find this business website. We just scroll down at the end of this page. Can you see guys, we can find email address. So just click copy. Go to our Excel file and paste this email address. So we find this business email address. Now we copy another business website. Copy. Again, go to search bar and paste this website. Now we can find another business website and just scroll down. Can you see guys, we can find email address. Just click copy and paste Excel file. Can you see guys, this business they don't find website URL link, so we just delete this entire box. If you don't find any website link after scraping, you can just delete this row. Now we copy this website URL, click copy and go to Google search bar and paste this website URL. We just scroll down this website. They provide location, phone number, but we don't find email address. Guys, some website you don't find email address, then you must visit their social profile. So I just click Facebook and find this page. Can you see guys, we can find email address. We just copy this email address and paste this email address this row. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to find leads from Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this button if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. I will try to read every comment. Also, if you need any freelance lead generation service, you can easily find my email address in the description below. Also, if you need any specific video that I create my YouTube channel, you can write your comment. Which lead generation video do you need? So guys, see you in the next video.